In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Mission 2015 MCQ, that is number of necklaces made from 9 beads of different colors. Solution, that is in circular arrangement when clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement are same, then total number of way placing n things is given by formula, that is n minus 1 into factorial divided by 2. Then necklace is for neck in circle form, so way of arrangement, that is number n equal to 9 minus 1 8 factorial divided by 2. So option A is correct, that is 8 factorial divide 2. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.